What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial. This time I'm going to be showing you how to install the body cam and the mic that I've been using recently for my past live streams. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up lspdfr.com. You want to go scroll over to character, and you want to scroll down till you find the EUP AXON BodyCam and shoulder mic beta 0.4 made by Hanako. And I will say Hanako does make some pretty awesome stuff. This was brought up to a good friend of mine, PC Games guy, and yeah, it looks awesome in game. So I will show you how to install it. So you just scroll down, click download this file, and we'll wait for it to download. Next thing you want, make sure you have is OpenIV open, loaded for GTA 5. And first thing you want to do is click that edit mode and click yes. You always want to install stuff to your mod folder, because that way if you do kind of mess up your mod folder, you can just get rid of it and just make a fresh new one. It beats installing it in the wrong spot and then having to go through the whole process of re-downloading GTA 5 and yeah, just messing up your whole shit. So always have a mod folder, and I highly recommend always back up your files. Like I have a GTA original folders files right here. Yeah, always back up your stuff. So now that it's finished downloading, we're going to open up the file. Scroll out of here. No, I can't. Yeah, I have a video upload, sorry. So you want to double click this one. So you want to go to README file. And you want to find this location, mods, update, x64, DLC, packs, EUP, DLC.rpf, x64, EUP peds underscore component peds.rpf. So we'll show you here. Update, x64, DLC packs, EUP, DLC, x64, EUP underscore component peds.rpf. So once we have this open, we're going to go back to this file here. I'm going to double click the files. And I know here it says underscore F underscore Vinewood underscore M underscore Vinewood. And as you could tell, there is no Vinewood folders, right? So what I did is I renamed them. So we get rid of the underscore MP underscore F underscore Vinewood. Delete that. Click, then renames everything. And we'll do the same thing on this one. Delete the underscore MP underscore M underscore Vinewood. And then it will do its thing. So then we'll find these locations. MP underscore F underscore free mode underscore 01, which is right here. Double click this one. Open this one. Same task. Highlight, drag and drop. Just like that. And then we'll back out. Back out of this. We'll find the MP underscore M underscore free mode underscore 01, which will be right here. MP underscore M underscore free mode underscore 01. Double click that, open that. Open this one. Highlight these files. Drag and drop. Just like that. So we'll close all this. Close this. You're done here, so you can either click the edit mode again and then click X, or you could just click X. It doesn't matter. I'll just click the X and we'll load up game, and I'll show you what you just installed. Catch you guys in a minute. So we are in game, and we will load our EUP load plugin. UP. We'll get that loaded in. And as you can tell, there's Infidels, LSP, the Sunset Pact. That will be linked in the description below. So once that's all loaded, press F4 again. Get out of this. UP menu, characters, big G, wardrobe, and you could click any one of them. We are gonna go with. We'll go with high vis. And honestly, right off the bat, you should have the body cam and the mic put on. So we're gonna zoom in. Yeah, there you guys go. Goes right off to the radio, all the way up to the shoulder back right there. Hopefully this did help you guys out, and if it did, awesome. I appreciate it. I helped somebody out. And if you like this tutorial, smash that like. If you are new, hit that sub. Greatly do appreciate it. And actually, I appreciate it. Everybody lately showing all the love and support. And I will catch you guys on the next tutorial, on the next stream, on the next episode. Peace out and stay safe.